Welcome to the all-new 782. This is our third shop, phase 3. We've been doing this since 2006. Classics, lowriders and muscle cars, doing the same thing, but now we're doing more. Come on through, I'll show you, give you a backstage pass. So I built the shop to be an experience. I wanted people to be able to walk in here and enjoy it, walk through, connect to different things. Over all my years of trips and travels, I've gathered all my bits and pieces. This is the place where I get to hang them on the walls. There's so many things in here, from the speed shop to the barber shop, the DJ booth, the memorabilia, the coat collection, and then we've got the cars, classics, lowriders and muscle cars. That's what we do. So we've been doing this since 2006. We've got a huge following. We're getting incredible feedback from our social media platforms, people texting us, calling us. We've been sending these cars all over Australia and the world now for many, many years. You don't have to buy a car on our open days. You can come through and just take it in and enjoy it. I love it. I've been kicking the doors open, watching the families roll through, and the fact that the kids are coming through and loving it and getting inspired by it. We're making more car kids, and that's cool because that's our next generation. So car care. These cars aren't brand new, they're classics. So we do have a full-blown mechanical workshop downstairs. We specialize in classic cars. We qualify everything. If I wouldn't want it in my garage, I'm not going to put it in yours. So downstairs, we've got a specialized team of mechanics. I don't have regular mechanics. I can't have regular mechanics. They're all hot rodders, engine builders. They've got some sort of background in performance or classic cars or restoration. So thanks for having a little walk through the all-new 782, located on the Gold Coast, Australia. For new stock updates, keep an eye out on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. If you want the full details on anything, www.782motors.com.au, that's where everything lives, or just hit me up direct off any of our points of contact. Thanks again for checking out the all new 782 Motors, Gold Coast, Australia.